Do you want to know the secret of all those freelancers? How they solved the problem of getting new clients for themselves? I know the most painful thing in freelancing journey is how to get new clients, how to keep attracting new customers, new clients, new businesses. And from this phase everyone passes. So in this video, let me tell you biggest secret of all those freelancers who are very successful. You can say they have built a pipeline for clients. So hello everyone, Abutala this side, hope you are good and doing very well. In this video we are going to discuss a very biggest secret of building a pipeline of clients. If you watch this video till the very end, you will get to know how you can create a way so that you will be attracting new clients always and you will be attracting new businesses. आपको उस चीज के लिए फिर वरी करने की जरूरत नहीं होगी कि जब एक क्लाइंट का टेन्योर पूरा हो रहा है तो उसके बाद आप सेकंड क्लाइंट आप कैसे अट्रैक्ट कर रहे होगे और फिर आप सेकंड बिजनेस में कैसे जाओगे. ऑलराइट, बिकॉज इट इज द मोस्ट पेनफुल थिंग एंड आई नो. So if you watch this video till the very end, you will be solving your biggest and the most painful thing in your journey. So timestamps also given. You can jump to a certain part as well if you want. The first thing you must note the most important thing for every freelancer is their personal branding. You can also figure out by yourself every freelancer you know, how you know. You can take an example of anyone how you got his name into your mind and how you got his name into your eyes, how you got to know them. Are they doing something you are not? That one is personal branding. Every freelancer who is attracting clients or who is attracting businesses is the one who is working on their personal brand, who is working on content creation, who is showcasing their skill and expertise in which they are master, in which they are expert. It means they are telling what they know about their field. They are telling how they are trustable, how they are different from the crowd, how they are different from the competitors, how they stand apart is by doing content creation regularly on any platform. And this is the very important thing, and I think this is the only important thing in this journey. If you want to attract clients, if you want to attract businesses, then the only thing you should do is doing content creation. So you can think in almost every videos of getting clients I talk about content creation. Let me tell you in this video what happens actually when you create content in your field, when you share what you know. So the thing is first of all, you establish yourself as an authority. How? When you create content and when you create valuable content, you build an audience, you build a group, you build a numbers that has been showcased on your profile as a follower or as subscriber or as likes or comments. So eventually what is happening you are establishing yourself as an authority, you are establishing yourself as a brand, and it can be on any platform. When you create content, you build audience, you build a community, and then eventually you will attract more businesses, you will attract new clients, and they are likely to do business with you. And the second thing is you build trust, because they also know if they work with you, you will not cheat them, because you have built a bigger audience, and being on that position, cheating is not easy and doing show off is not easy. So you build a trust by creating content. And the last one is you reach to a wider audience. Like suppose I am taking an example if your content is searchable, like suppose if you are a content writer and you write blogs and you have written blogs on trending topics or on trending questions, and then whenever someone will ask a question on Google and if you come in their search, then eventually you will attract new clients because they will recommend to others. If they liked your work, then they will do word of mouth promotion. So ultimately what will happen is you will be attracting new clients. And then suppose you are a content creator in YouTube, it means you create long form videos or shorts, and you have also made videos on trending topics or in trending searches, then ultimately also you will attract new clients, and then you will generate traffic from your channel, and then you will build a sense of trust, and then at the end you will be attracting new customers. Alright, so now let's see how to create content as a freelancer and how to be a regular content creator as a freelancer and what you should share. Like you can take another example of a freelancer, and you might know her. What she does is she has an Instagram account, alright, and she also has a freelancing course. So she has to attract two different clients, one for her academy and one for her freelancing journey. It means one is their customer and one is their client, and for both of them what she does is she showcases their expertise, she showcases their skill, she showcases their knowledge on her Instagram page, and from that she attracts new businesses, and I'm not saying ke if you are building your page, then you will build a way from which client will stay in a queue to get their work done by you. I'm not saying that, but what will happen is ke if you have built your personal brand, all right, if you have showcased yourself on several platforms, and then if you will approach any clients by cold mailing, then they will go through your portfolio, and on the place of portfolio, if you have shared your social media profile, numbers of followers or subscribers to them, then it will ultimately build a sense of trust to the client. So for approaching, it also helps. And one thing I can take guarantee ke without approaching, you will be attracting new clients automatically just by creating content. And if I am saying with so much confidence, then you can figure out ke I have personally experienced. Just by creating videos on YouTube and just by creating reels on Instagram, I have attracted new clients for video editors. I have attracted several clients for several expertise. All right. So what you have to do is, okay, if you are good with camera, then take a tripod, put your phone on that, shoot yourself, edit your video, and then post it. If you are good with writing, then there are lots of writing platforms like LinkedIn, like Quora. Go there, create regularly content, and then that's it. If you are good with graphic designing, you can start your own page. And what you have to share? You have to share what you know, and you have to share all the topics that are adjacent to your skill. You will be working to create an audience, and to create an audience, what you have to do is you have to share those knowledge, those expertise of which you want to attract audience, or of which you want to attract new clients. Like suppose that you want to attract the clients for marketing or digital marketing. So what you will do is you will post what you know about digital marketing. You will give new tips, you will give several methods about SEO, about website ranking or anything in your field. So what will happen whoever is interested in digital marketing will connect with you, and whoever is looking for digital marketers will also connect with you. And by the coming of several platforms, it is very easy to create content. Using ChatGPT, you can create your scripts. Using ChatGPT, you can take methods, take tips on several fields. You can ask any question and then you can get the result. So it becomes very easier now to create content. You just have to start, and you just have to figure out in which field you are going to do and in which expertise you want to attract your clients. All right. So I hope it is helpful for you, and I hope this method will generate a pipeline of clients for you. Yeah, one thing I make sure it is a very long-term process. So if you want clients for tomorrow, and if you start today, then you will not be attracting clients till tomorrow. It is a very long-term process. And if I am saying, then it means for 1 month, 2 months, you will have to dedicate yourself and you will be creating content, and then the chances are you will be attracting new clients. So if you are a beginner, then from day one start creating content, start sharing what you have learned so far. And if you are the one who has started freelancing and who has much experience but is still facing the problem, then you can start from today also. If you are not getting clients today, then ultimately you will be getting after 1 month or 2 months of content creation. This thing is guaranteed. So enough for this video. I hope it will be helpful for you, and I hope it will add value into your freelancing journey. So till then, take care and have a good day.